Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and today we're going to be using the Arteza pouring acrylic. It has 32 colors in it, 28 unique colors. Check that out. Comes with extra white and extra black. That's where the extra colors come in. But these are so cool. I love using them for pouring, but I wanted to try, I've been making all my Christmas ornaments this year, so I thought I would give it a try in here and do some pouring. So I have a little Pyrex bowl that I use and that I can stick that in, but it doesn't fit on these. So I just put a little silicone cup in there to hold it as well. So that's what I'll be pouring into afterwards. But I've got all my different pouring colors. I wanted to make like a purple one. So I've got some white, some rose pink. This is a Circe pink. I don't know, any artists may know that, or how to properly say it. This is lavender. And then this one I went to town with. Look how messy that is. This is a neon purple. So I've taken them, I've already shaken them up a bit. And we're just going to pour these in there. So I'm going to take this little guy out for the moment. Well, no, I guess I'll leave it in. There we go. And we are going to, we'll start with our white in here. And I'm just going to go ahead and add a few drops. And I want to add more than what I would think I need. And the reason being is I can always use the extra colors to pour on something else once I drain it. So I'm just adding these guys in there. What happened here? I pulled this one out, of course. Oh, I'm just going to pour this one in. And then we'll go with the lavender. Well, now I'm just being silly and taking the lids off. I guess if it works, right? And I do want it to be a little bit more on the purple side, so I'm going to go ahead and do that one. And add that one. They're really pretty. I definitely know this is more than enough, but I'm okay with it. So now I've got that in there. I'm going to give it a little bit of a swirl there just to get that swirl going. And then now I'm just going to run this around. Oh, see there, look at that. And maybe I didn't put enough. I thought maybe I did. But, I mean, you could do a half if you wanted to. Look how beautiful that is. Okay, I definitely did not put enough, so I'm going to put some more in there. But I picked all colors that would blend well together. Like, I wouldn't want to do a blue or a green and an orange, because those would kind of make a brown if they moved together. So I didn't want to do that. Oh, this one is the one that started the whole pouring. All right, now I'm pretty sure. And again, I don't know what I was so afraid of. Look how pretty that's coming out. Oh, you can really see where that line started. But that's okay. Look how pretty that's coming out. And then we want that all the way around the sides. And then we're just pouring that right out. And we're just going to wait and let that pour out for a while. And this is all going to move around and settle. And look at how beautiful that is. So we're just going to sit this out here to drain. And I'll show you the finished product when it's done. If you like this, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see more. I am already ready for Christmas, and it's just Halloween. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day. I will leave the link if you wanted to buy any of the Arteza products at all. And then I do have a code where you could save a few percentages as well. All right, have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.